Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can optimize your Android performance. So guys, first of all, open your Android phone settings application. Then you're going to search for the battery and device setting. Battery and device care setting, this one, tap on it. Then you're going to click on optimize now right here. But since my Android phone has been optimized, so I'm not able to click on this button. And we can also optimize our Android performance by stopping the background apps. We can tap on the memory right here. Then you are going to click on clean now. Then just wait until the process is completed. You have to wait until 100%, guys. Okay, and now the memory has been cleaned, and that's how we can optimize our Android performance. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next tutorial.